Today we are going to learn how to spell different birds' name in our channel, Papa Kids Object Learning. Shall we go? Avocet, A-V-O-C-E-T, avocet. Anhinga, A-N-H-I-N-G-A, Anhinga. Auklet, A-U-K-L-E-T, auklet. Accenter, A-C-C-E-N-T-O-R, accenter. Apapane, A-P-A-P-A-N-E, apapane. Antshrike, A-N-T-S-H-R-I-K-E, antshrike. Apostlebird, A-P-O-S-T-L-E-B-I-R-D, apostlebird. Applemotto falcon, A-P-L-O-M-A-D-O-F-A-L-C-O-N, Applemotto falcon. Ashiminivet, A-S-H-Y-M-I-N-I-V-E-T, Ashiminivet. Asian coal, A-S-I-A-N-K-O-E-L, Asian coal. Aurora borealis owl, A-U-R-O-R-A-B-O-R-E-A-L-I-S-O-W-L, Aurora borealis owl. Australasian gannet, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-A-S-I-A-N-G-A-N-N-E-T, Australasian gannet. Australian magpie, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A-N-M-A-G-P-I-E, Australian magpie. Abert's towhee, A-B-E-R-T-S-T-O-W-H-E-E, Abert's towhee. African paradise flycatcher, A-F-R-I-C-A-N-T-A-R-A-D-I-S-E-F-L-Y-C-H-E-R, African paradise flycatcher. Alder flycatcher, A-L-D E R F L Y C A T C H E R alder flycatcher. American coot. Americancoot. American coot. American dipper. Americandiper. American dipper. American flamingo. Americanflamingo. American flamingo. American goldfinch. Americangoldfinch. American goldfinch. American kestrel. Americankestrel. American kestrel. Arctic tern. Arctic and Arctic tern. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.